Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set your wallpaper as a video on your iPhone. So let's jump right into it. To get started, we would be needing a video. So the first thing I would do is go to my camera and film a short video. Just a simple video, and then I'm going to stop recording. After recording, go to your photos and then go to recent. Then select the video that you just took. Now, the next thing you would want to do is select the upload button on your bottom left. There are a few options here, but all you need to select is add to album and just add your video in a new album. After that, just go to your settings and scroll down to wallpaper. Once you're here, select new wallpaper, then scroll down until you find photo shuffle. Next, select the album where you place your video. Now you have the video as your wallpaper. However, your video won't start playing, unfortunately. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative videos like this.